Hi, this is Julian. I just want to give you some more detail on the NWC flat rate plan for pensioners. We are going to use the historic usage going back 2 or 3 years to determine what the flat rate is. Based on the flat rate that is applied, if the consumer goes way above the flat rate, the first thing we're going to do is send a team to check if there's a leak, because generally leaks contribute to a spike. However, if we notice that there is consistent usage above your average flat rate, then we are going to discontinue the program. The reality is we want a benefit for all pensioners over 65, but we also have to put in systems that will protect it against abuse. We can't have taxpayers' money being abused. But we believe in this program, we have thought it through, and we are here to provide that relief for those pensioners who have worked hard, who have fixed incomes, and who need certainty in what their expenses are.